Welcome to Obligr.com. In this video we will see how to add templates and signature in Obligr platform. Log in your account on Obligr. After login, you will see menu on left hand of your screen. Go to template messaging. Click on create template. In type, select template. Enter your template name. Now, let's see how to use template while send SMS. Enter your template in message box. Click on submit. Wow, template successfully saved. Now, let's see how to use template while sender SMS. Go to send message option. Here you can see a green button. Select from template. Click on it and choose your template. This is how it works. Now, let's see how to add signature. Go to template messaging. Click on create template. In type, select signature. Enter your signature name. Enter your signature in message box. Click on submit. Wow, signature successfully saved. Now, let's see how to use signature while send SMS. Go to send message option. Here you can see a yellow button. Add signature. Click on it and choose your signature. This is how it works. That's it. Now you have learned how to add templates and signature on Obligr platform. Now check next video for further use. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.